So let us start the session. Today we are going to start session number 1 of chapter number 7, fractions. In this session we are going to learn about the introduction of fraction, and we'll complete NCERT exercise 7.1. So let us start with the introduction part. So let us consider one example. Suppose Aditya bought an apple and he want to share it equally with his friend. Okay, that means that apple should be divided into two equal parts. If suppose only one friend is there, then he want to share with his friend equally. So he have to divide it into two equal pieces, one for Aditya and one for his friend. See this is one apple, and he want to give the half portion to his friend. So he will divide this apple into two equal parts like that. Okay. So suppose some more friends are there. Two more friends came to him, and he also wants to distribute equally to them also. Okay. So further he divided the two apples, these two pieces, into another two half in dono ko. Okay, this one and this one, right? So Aditya further divided his half apple into two equal parts and asked Aditi what fraction of the whole apple was that piece. So he also did the same with the other half also. So Aditi said that these are having four equal parts. If we put together, we'll get one full apple. Okay, so each equal part is 1/4 of one whole part, right? So therefore we can say that when something is divided into two equal parts, or three equal parts, or four equal parts, each part can be represented in terms of fraction. If suppose two equal parts, if we are dividing, then 1/2 of the whole we can say, right? See this figure. This is this is half, this is half. 1/2 of whole, right? Okay, I will show you with the picture also. First, Aditya divides the apple into two equal parts. So this part is half and this part is half. That is 1/2, 1/2, 1/2. Again, further, if we divide it into two, this also 2. See, the fraction of this is 1/2. This is also 1/2, and this is 1/4. Each one is 1/4. ठीक है, ये भी 1/4 है, ये भी 1/4 है, और ये भी 1/4. 1/4 means 1/4 करके लिखेंगे, right? Right. Now it may represents 2 out of 3 also. फ्रैक्शन में हम लोग जब भी लिखते हैं तो 2 out of 3 भी लिख सकते हैं. जैसे suppose I am giving one example. See, this is a circle. It is divided into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. How many parts are shaded here? 2, right? So 2 parts are shaded out of 3. So it can be represented as 2/3. Similarly, see this example also. Here also 3 equal parts, and only 2 parts are shaded. So here also we can represent the shaded part is 2/3 of the entire figure. Now we can see this example also. Suppose these 3 are equal parts. So here also 2 equal parts are shaded. So this shaded part is represented as 2/3 of the entire figure. Okay, right? Now let us move towards now fraction. Fraction means a part of a group. Just now we have seen कि एप्पल को हम लोग 4 equal parts में किए थे, तो each part we called is 1/4. So that is a fraction. Okay, a fraction means a part of a group or of a region. So the whole may be simple objects like a apple, like a chocolate bar, or pizza, right? Clear? The whole may be a simple object like chocolate bar, pizza, or an apple, or a group of 5 people or 7 balls, etc. See these figures. Suppose this is a chocolate bar, right? In this 5 sections are there and I marked only 2. Out of 5, I marked 2 sections only, 2 equal parts. So the fraction 2 by 5, it will represent by a fraction 2 by 5, 2 out of 5. Okay, see this figure. It is a group of 5 apples. And if we take only 2 apples, then we can say that 2 out of 5, that is 2 by 5. So thus fraction 2 by 5 represents 2 parts out of 5 equal parts. Or we can say 2 apples from 5 apples. Right? But for a fraction to be defined, the parts should be all equals. ऐसा नहीं कि एक बड़ा part है और एक छोटा part है. That I will explain right now. See this figure. These two are equal parts. But what about this one? This is not equal. So ये बड़ा part है. तो हम लोग इसको 2 by 3 नहीं बोल सकते. क्यों? क्योंकि shape is not divided into equal parts. This is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Now let us move toward the parts of fraction. A fraction has 2 parts. One is numerator, ऊपर वाला, and another is denominator. Right? The number below the horizontal bar. This is the horizontal bar. The number below the horizontal bar is denominator, and it specifies the total number of parts. Okay? Clear? The number below the horizontal bar is called the denominator. It specifies the number of parts into which the unit has been divided. Suppose if apple is divided into 8 equal parts, so denominator में 8 आएगा. Right. The number above the horizontal bar is called numerator, and it specifies how many number of parts we are concerned. Okay. The numeral above the horizontal bar is called numerator. It specifies the number of those parts with which we are concerned. ठीक है? Now see this figure, 2 over 3. What is the numerator here?
2.
2. What is the denominator?
3.
3, right. So 2 by 3 means the numerator is 2 and the denominator is 3. Denominator is 3 means it tells the total number of parts the shape has been divided. Okay. And the numerator is 2 means it tells us how many parts we are taking or we consider. See this figure. 3 equal parts and 2 parts are shaded. So if we are considering the shaded part, so the fraction is 2 by 3. If we are not taking on consideration that shaded part, we are taking unshaded part, then the fraction is 1 by 3. This part we are taking, right? So that is why it is very important what we are taking, what we are considering, right? So 2 by 3 part is shaded. Next figure. Now how many parts is shaded here?
2 by 3.
2 parts. So the fraction is again 2 out of 3. That is 2 by 3 part is shaded. Right? Okay. So now we are moving toward the exercise 7.1 with first question. Right. Write the fraction representing the shaded portion. So first we will count the total number of parts. इसमें total number of parts कितने हैं?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. How many parts are shaded?
2.
2. So 2 by 4. Right? This is the answer. Next. How many total equal parts are there here? 9. Right.
9.
How many parts are shaded? 8. So the fraction is 8 by 9. Right. Here total number of parts are 8 and 4 are shaded. Right.
4 by 8.
Okay. 4 by 8. Now let us move toward the fourth bit. Total number of parts?
4 parts.
4 parts. How many parts are shaded? 1 by 4. Right. Next one, fifth one. Total number of parts? 7. Right. How many parts are shaded?
3.
3. Right.
3 by 7.
Okay, fine. Sixth one. How many total parts?
12.
12. Right. How many parts are shaded?
9.
Oh, this one is shaded.
3.
3. Right. Next one. How many? 10. Right. And all 10 are shaded here. All 10 are shaded. Yes. 10 by 10 means whole. That is 1. Okay. Now next one. How many equal total number of parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 equal parts. How many parts are shaded? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Now let us move toward the ninth one. How many total number of parts? 8. And how many parts are shaded? 4. Okay. So 4 by 8. Now the last one, only 2 parts, 2 equal parts are there. This one and this one. And only one part is shaded. So 1 by 2. This is clear to all of you? Okay. Second question. Color the part according to the given figure. So see, total 6 parts are there and only one part we have to fill. Any one part. कोई भी part इसमें एक part fill करना है. So अभी मैं tick कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है? So 1/4, fraction is 1/4, total parts is 4. Only one part we have to shade. Now this is 1/3, total 3 equal parts are there.
One part we should color.
Yes, only one we have to color. Here 4 equal parts are there. So we have to color. Yes. Here total 9 equal parts are there and we have to color 4 parts. Right. See, this is the answer, right? यहाँ पे एक color किए. Here only one part is colored. Here also one part is colored. Here 3 parts, 1, 2, 3, and here 4 parts are colored. 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 9. Okay. So now we are moving toward question number 3. Identify the error if any. So the first is this is 1/2. Whether this is correct or wrong? Wrong.
Wrong, sir.
Why? Since the parts are not equal. See, since the parts are not equal, therefore the shaded portion is not 1/2. Right. Now the second one is also false. क्योंकि इसमें देखो ये दोनों parts बड़े हैं, ये छोटे हैं. So second is also not
False.
1/4. Why? Because parts are not equal. Right. Now the last one is also false. Right. ये भी इसमें भी गलत है. Because the parts are not equal, therefore the shaded portion is not 3/4. Okay. So now we are moving towards the fourth question. What fraction of a day is 8 hours? So what is the total number of hours in one day? 24. Right. So total hours of a day is 24 and we are taking only 8 hours. So the fraction is 8 by 24. Right. So 8 or 24 we can cancel it by 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 threes are 24. So final answer is दोनों को 8 से डिवाइड करना है. राइट. दोनों को 8 से डिवाइड करना है तो 1/3 आएगा. So this is the final answer. Right. Next question. What fraction of an hour is 40 minutes? So 1 hour, how many minutes are there? 60 minutes. Right. So fraction हो जाएगा 40/60. Right. अब दोनों को हम लोग 20 से डिवाइड करेंगे. या तो देखो ऐसा भी कर सकते हो. दोनों को 0 से कैंसिल करो. 0 0 कैंसिल करो. फिर 2 से कैंसिल करो. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. या तो दोनों को 20 से डायरेक्ट डिवाइड कर दो. सो 20 से जब डिवाइड करोगे तो 2/3 मिलेगा. एंड दिस इज द फाइनल आंसर. एनी डाउट इन दिस क्वेश्चन?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Next question. We are moving toward question number 6. Arya, Abhimanyu and Vivek shared lunch. Arya has brought 2 sandwiches. मैं उसमें अंडरलाइन कर रहा हूँ. Right. And one made up of vegetables and one of jam. So out of two sandwiches, one is made up of vegetable and the other one made of jam. The other two boys forgot to bring their lunch. Arya agreed to share his sandwiches so that each person will have an equal share of each sandwich. Right? How can Arya divide his sandwiches so that each person has an equal share? Next, what part of a sandwich will each boy receive? First of all, the total number of sandwiches is 2 and the number of boys is 3. Okay, so each person has an equal share. So each person will get 2 by 3. Okay, 2 by 3 of the sandwiches. So share of each person will be 2 by 3 of the sandwiches. This is the first answer. Now the second one, what part of a sandwich will each boy receive? हर एक sandwich का. So all one sandwich 3 boys. उसको 3 equal parts में divide करेंगे तो one part हो जाएगा 1 by 3. Right? One sandwich is to be divided among 3 boys. So each boy will get 1/3 of a sandwich. That is 1 by 3 of a sandwich. So any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we are moving towards question number 7. Kanchan dyes dresses. She had to dye 30 dresses. So total number of dresses is 30. She has so far finished 20 dresses. Out of 30, she finished 20 dresses. What fraction of dresses has she finished? So first, total number of dresses is 30 and she finished 20 dresses. So required fraction is 20 upon 30. That is dyed total number of dresses dyed upon total dresses. Right? अब इसमें 0 0 we can cancel. That is dividing both by 10. So the final answer is 2 by 3. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 8. Write the natural numbers from 2 to 12. What fraction of them are prime number? So first we are going to write all the natural numbers from 2 to 12. See, these numbers are there. So 2 से 12 तक total 11 numbers are there. See, all 11 numbers. अभी इसमें हम लोग को आइडेंटिफाई करना है प्राइम नंबर्स कितने. चलो 2, 3, 5, 7, बस हो गया. So prime numbers are only 5. So total numbers 11 and total prime numbers are 5. That is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So the fraction is 5 by 11. Right. Total prime numbers upon total natural numbers from 2 to 12. So this is the final answer. Now we are moving towards the 9th question. Write the natural number from 102 to 113. What fraction of them are prime numbers? So 102 से 113 तक टोटल कितने नंबर्स होते हैं देखो. काउंट कर सकते हो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total natural numbers are 12. Now we are going to mark the prime numbers. So 103 होता है. Next 107, 109 and 113. Right, only 4 numbers are prime numbers. So what is the fraction? 4 by, right. अब लेकिन फ्रैक्शन कभी भी लिखते हैं तो हम लोग सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. मीन्स कॉमन फैक्टर है तो कैंसिल करो. सी बोथ आर डिविजिबल बाय 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So yes, the final answer is 1 by 3. Okay. So now next question. What fraction of these circles have x in them? So total number of circles are 8. Right. And how many circles are crossed? 4. So what is the fraction?
4 by.
Very good. 4 by 8. But it is not simplest form. So क्या करेंगे हम लोग 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे. 4 1s are 4.
2 by 4.
4 2s are 8. So final answer is 1 by 2. Right. Okay. Right. Now we are moving toward the last question of the exercise. Christine received a CD player for her birthday. She bought 3 CDs and received 5 other gifts. Okay? 3 CDs and received 5 others as gifts. What fraction of her total CDs did she buy and what fraction did she receive as gift? So first of all, total number of CDs she purchased is 3 and total number of CDs she received as gift as 5. Okay, right? So what is the total number of CDs she have?
8.
8, right? 3 plus 5, 8. Now the fraction of CD she bought is 3 out of 8, right? CDs purchased upon total CDs, that is 3 by 8. And what fraction she received as gift? 5 out of 8. That is CDs received as gift upon total CDs. So 5 upon 8. So this is the answer. Right? Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. So this is the last question. Now we are moving toward the last section, that is assignment questions. Only few questions are there. This I will post in Google Classroom. So that's all for today's session. Thank you. Thank you very much.